210 open houses, 9 failing offers. And guess what? On the 10th one, we got it. So my client just purchased the property in Bernal Heights, right on the corner of Cortland and Nebraska. Small house, only 1,000 square feet. And you wonder, why would she choose such a small house in the middle of a main street? I'll tell you why. Let's go check it out. Yes, this is the living room, right at the entry. And there's the front door to the main street. And you may notice that the kitchen is directly next to the living room. Right behind me, you see the 2 bedrooms. But the main secret is downstairs. The house is in good condition. The bathroom was recently remodeled. It has a nice skylight. We have some extra storage closets. We have bedroom number 1 with a closet, and bedroom number 2 also with a closet. And this one comes on to the deck and the backyard. I'm standing right on the deck. Check out the beautiful views behind me. What you can potentially do with the property is pull the property out to the line of the deck at the upper level and ground level, essentially adding easily 500 square feet to the property. And this is the perspective from the lower level. I'm standing right underneath the deck. Essentially, as I was describing, you can expand the footprint of the building on the upper level and ground level, essentially still leaving plenty of backyard space. You'll also notice that right behind me, there is a garage door. There's actually a curb cut right up the street, allowing you to park an additional vehicle on the side of the property. So then the main surprise is downstairs. There's plenty of space that you can expand the footprint. There is already a room at ground level, which is easily 16 by 14 feet. And it pulls out into the garage space. And then essentially this room can be expanded into the garage workspace area, which is exactly the same size as this room. Just take a look what I mean here. You see the footprint of this area is similar size. It can be another bedroom here. So not only do you have this room downstairs, potential this space here, and even the garage can also be utilized for additional square footage because there's space outside for a build out of an additional garage space. Equity potential. So this is the front side of the garage that we were talking about. If this garage is being used for your living space, then you already have a curb cut and an additional garage door space over here, which can be utilized by expanding the property. Do you know what was one of the main reasons that attracted my clients to this property? It's the corner lot. With the new SB9 law in California, you're able to expand the capacity of the property on the envelope that it sits in. This property, a corner property specifically, has access from the one of the street and the side street as well, allowing you to potentially expand the footprint by building another ADU at the back of the lot.